In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a professional email address in GoDaddy. If you want your email to look more professional and match your website domain, GoDaddy makes that process fairly simple. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through where to go in your account and what to look for so you can choose the email plan that fits your needs. To begin, go ahead and open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that already contains your domain name or website, because that will make it much easier to connect your professional email address to the correct site. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon. This is usually located near the top area of the page. Click on your profile to open the account menu. From there, select My Products. This section is where GoDaddy keeps all of the products and services connected to your account, including domains, websites, hosting, and email options. After you're inside My Products, find the specific website or domain you want to use for your professional email. This part is important because your new email address will normally be tied to that domain, giving you a more branded and trustworthy appearance. When you've selected the correct website or domain, look for the email section. Click into it to view the available email setup and purchase options. This is where GoDaddy will present the professional email plans you can choose from. At this stage, feel free to review the available plans carefully. Different plans may include different storage limits, security features, or productivity tools, so it's a good idea to take a moment and choose the one that best matches how you plan to use your email. If you only need a basic professional inbox, a simpler plan may be enough. If you want more business features, you may prefer a higher tier option. Once you've decided which plan you want, click Add to Cart. This will place the email plan into your shopping cart so you can move forward with checkout. Before completing your purchase, take a quick look over your cart to confirm you selected the right plan and that it's connected to the correct domain. That small review can help avoid mistakes and save time later. After that, you'll be ready to continue through GoDaddy's checkout process and finalize your professional email purchase. And that's it. You now know how to buy a professional email address in GoDaddy.